In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a table in Canva with ease. Whether you're looking to organize data, enhance the visual appeal of your project, or just explore Canva's versatile toolset, this guide will walk you through each step of the process. First, you'll want to navigate to the Canva homepage and ensure you're logged into your account. If you're not already signed in, take a moment to enter your credentials. Once you're in, let's move on to the exciting part, creating your design. Over on the left side panel, you'll spot a plus icon under the Create section. Clicking this will open a menu of potential designs. For this tutorial, we're working with presentations, so select Presentations. However, don't feel restricted. You can choose any template that fits your preferred dimensions. Today, we'll stick with a standard 16.9 aspect ratio canvas, or 1920 by 1080 pixels, to get started. With your canvas ready, look over to the left side menu, where you'll find Elements. Click on it, and a search bar will appear. Type in Table to begin your search. This search will generate a variety of table options. You're encouraged to hover down and click on See All Tables to view everything available. It's truly impressive how many different styles and formats Canva offers, allowing you to pick the one that perfectly suits your needs. Once you've found one you like, simply drag it onto your canvas. Easy as pie. Clicking on the table will bring up a floating menu, giving you access to a host of customization options. One of these options is Border, where you can change the border type, color, and style to add that personal touch. Feel free to explore and try different combinations to see what works best for you. Furthermore, you can play around with table spacing and cell spacing to adjust how close or far apart each component is. It gives you total control over the layout and structure. While you're customizing, don't forget the color button located at the leftmost part of the floating tools. Use it to change the color of individual cells or the entire table, adding an extra layer of customization. For even more control, notice the three dots that appear on the left side of the rows and columns. By clicking these, you can add or delete rows. The same goes for columns. These options give you the freedom to mold the table precisely to your liking. If you're looking to make more extensive edits, right-click on multiple cells to access advanced settings like merging cells. And there you have it. You've just learned how to add and customize a table in Canva. With these tips, you're well equipped to make the most out of your designs and presentations. Thanks for following along, and make sure to experiment with these steps to discover how you can creatively implement tables into your projects.